got it. I got it now, bro. I think I got it. Dude, I got so Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo, and we got a front flip Grom right here. This thing is flipping insane, bro. I'm about to hop on it in a second. First, you're gonna see the homie hit some front flips on it from Golf Customs. They got a YouTube channel also, so check that out. Yo, y'all built some crazy stuff, man.
I got your armor.
You got the armor ready for me? Oh, we're about to be front flipping, bro. I am so nervous and scared. I'm gonna put the helmet on and let's keep going further. Let's go. Come on, now Yamaha, get in it. And then we got the front flip Grom right here, bro. Safety first, got the seatbelt tight. Be ready to get it. Bro, you really gotta lean. Yo! Yeah! What the? Let's go!
You got slow going?
Yeah, bro, but you made it look so easy. Just
it really isn't bad. It's not hard.
I'm just scared when you come around, you're a little sideways, like, you know?
Yeah, I was going really slow that time.
Okay.
I don't think I've ever went that slow.
Damn. Bro, he just pulled that thing out. He just does a front flip on it. Wild. Yes, sir. You good?
Yeah, I'm distracted. So.
Oh, here, I got you. We'll lift you up. We'll lift you up.
Oh.
Oh, oh shit, brother.
You ever done a flip before?
Not on a bike. Like, I've done a front flip on a trampoline.
Yeah, but you know, like that mental block? Like, once you actually do it once, you're like, oh, that was easy.
I'm scared I'm gonna be on it in the front flip and, like, I'm gonna go sideways. That's what I'm scared of, but...
Physics is on your side. The centrifugal force, because the weight of the bike is so much more, it shouldn't let you spin over, fall over, or anything.
Okay, so...
As long as you got enough speed.
First gear?
First gear.
Fuck, bro. This is my heart right now. Oh my god. I mean, look.
Like I said, just feel it out, or if you're feeling ballsy, just full send it.
Just full send it.
Just full send it.
Holy shit, there's a fucking bee there.
Commit. Don't be scared.
That's the thing. You gotta commit. You gotta mousetrap it. Just let it go.
I'm gonna mousetrap it. I'm holding that clutch in. Alright, let's go. Full send. I got it. I got it now, bro. I think I got it.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
I got it. I got it now, bro. I think I got it. Dude, I got so
you want me to lift you up? See, you didn't get hurt, right? Good.
Holy bro. That was the weirdest feeling in the world, bro.
You held yourself from outside the whole time.
I did what?
You had one hand out and you were like walking it.
I didn't watch it, you know.
You like let go and you were like trying to walk it with your hands like this.
Bro, I didn't watch that, so I can see what I did wrong.
God, that's too good.
Was that enough speed or was I going too slow?
Too slow.
Way too slow. Well, the first thing,
you just slowed down too much when you went into the...
So I just gotta send it. Right?
Yeah, dude. Like, you did a second one. You did...
I got so scared. Alright, y'all ready?
Oh, yes,
I'm ready.
I'm going first go. No practice or nothing.
Let's see it.
Just sending her.
Send it.
Alright. Same spot. Send it, brother. Just send it. Just send it. You're good. Just lean forward, send that bitch to the moon.
Yes, sir! That's how you fucking do it!
I didn't get a good shot. He slowed down too much. I flew past him. You gotta do it again. Do it again!
I can't do it again. That was it, bro.
That was sick, dude!
That scared the shit out of me.
You were going so slow again.
Was I going slow?
Dude,
Yeah,
you turned
way
like
too
you were
slow.
about
I
to
feel
start.
like I'm flying.
Dude, that was, whoo, that had my adrenaline bumping, bro. First time ever front flipping a motorcycle, bro. It sounds pretty crazy, but add me to the fucking nitro circus and I'll be coming in hot. I might eat shit fucking flipping it, but we might get 1 or 2 in. It's just such a weird feeling, like.
It is. It's so fucking weird.
Like, that's the one feeling you don't want to feel on a motorcycle, is like going right towards your face, like.
Literally.
And you're supposed to do it on this.
You gotta do it on there.
It's ridiculous.
The boys outside, bro. Yeah. That's so dope. Yes, sir. On that Yamaha, baby. That's what we talking about. Damn, it's crazy. I haven't rode with these homies in so long because, as y'all know, I'm in O-Town. Oh my God! That one was a little off-angled, right?
Fell sideways.
Oh my God, bro! Dude, I'm in the wheelie and I just look at you and you slam on the brakes. I'm like, oh my gosh. I ran out of gear. Yes, sir. You're gonna front flip? Let's see if he got it. A little fronty. Bro. Oh my God. You had a front flip into the ditch, dude.
Oh, why'd you slow that down? I did what you did. I was like,
Bro, literally did exactly what I did. Hey, at least you held on.
yeah.
Let's go. Yeah. Boy, wheelie in that. And then we got the little 50, you know, putting in some work. Yeah, I just did it again. Yeah. Yeah, I was not expecting him to do it right there. Bro, I wasn't expecting that. Oh, look at Dane. Yes, sir. Right? And that drone will hurt with them blades.
I cut you off.
Bro, he freaking with the wheel or fucking front flip bar, he's hitting circles, bro.
Alrighty, gang, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I still can't believe I did a front flip on a flipping Grom. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like button, comment. Remember, stay motivated, stay disciplined. I freaking love you. Till next time, gang. Peace.